The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Hocking County, southeastern Pickaway County, eastern Ross County, until 10:45 p.m. At 10:02 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Chillicothe, moving east at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Chillicothe, Logan, Kingston, Hocking Hills State Park, Star, Londonderry, Laurelville, Adelphi, Gibbsville, Islesboro, Mooresville, Haydenville, Lake Logan State Park, Whistler, South Bloomingville, Enterprise, Masseyville, Union Furnace, Hallsville, and Oroville. You are listening to NOAA Weather. All